messing with no other man. Me and her are something different. I really need all you to understand that nobody